Hi everyone, Keyless Andrew here. Just making a video into Rook Knight's 100 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations, mate. I think you're over 100 now. You're almost at 120, I think. I should have checked, but last time I checked you were 118, 119. Yeah, so congratulations, mate. You got a great channel, great content. As everyone says, the first 100 are the hardest to get. So just see you going up and up from here, mate. So big congrats once again. And my choice of one up and one down is, so the one above will be Paul Springett. He is a very knowledgeable person and a great contributor to our lovely community. He's a true gentleman and helps out anyone in need, or if they got questions, he's the man to go to. One below will be the Butcher's Block. He's got 131 subs. So I should have mentioned Paul's got 232. The Butcher's Block, he's got awesome content. He loves his Lockwoods and he's pretty darn good at picking them too. So please check both those channels out. You will not be disappointed. And I will leave a link in the description for both channels. All three maybe. Probably all three. So today, we have to pick a lock. So I'm going to be picking this 38mm BRINKS brass body hardened shackle. I think it's 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch, yeah, 1.5 inch. I think 38 mils, yeah. So this is just a 4-pinner with security pins in it. There's your bitting. So you got, it's not too bad. Got a little low one on 2, then some highs behind it. So let's give it a pick, and I'm going to pick it in hand because I don't really do too many picks in hand. So this is just a good excuse to do some in hand picking. Alrighty, so I'm using the lockout buster, and here we go. Okay, so nothing there on 1, 2. Okay, 3 is sort of binding. Okay, 4's really binding. I got 4 here, so I'm just trying to get the best shot here for you guys. I think I just set 4, got a bit of core movement there. Yep. 3 feels set. Might have set him on the way in. Just got a little bit of something out of 2. Now 1. A bit of false set now. Oops, slipped off pin 1 and dropped the pin. Okay, I believe I just set pin 1, but I've dropped some pins. Yeah, definitely dropped some pins here somewhere. Yeah, down the back. Okay, let's go back to it. So 4. Okay, got a bit of something out of 4 there. Oh, okay. I don't think I set it properly the first time because I got a lot more movement that time. So 4. 3. Little click out on 1, and yeah, it's 1 holding me back here. Oh, okay. And well, yes, we got an open. Nice. So that's an open. Cool. So I didn't have to set pin 2 too much, but yeah. Anyway, that's the BRINKS 38mm, and congrats again to Rook Knight for his 100 subs, 120 now I think. And please check out Paul Springett and the Butcher's Block. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.